अविरल निर्मल सलिल सदय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय हो चहु दिशि उद्घोष अभय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय। प्रबल प्रवाहमयी नित नूतन जीवन दायिनी सदा सनातन वेद प्रणीता परम पुनीता ये धारा अक्षय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय। दयानंद से प्रेम भक्ति ले हंसराज से त्याग शक्ति ले धर्म भक्ति का राष्ट्र शक्ति का हो दिन मान उदय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय। सुख समृद्धि इसकी लहरें प्रेम शांति इसके तट ठहरे सघन शांतिमय प्रबल क्रांतिमय लिए अटल निश्चय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय।
मैं अपने पास ही ये कहाँ से अभी
हाय करो मेरा मेरा है सोजस
पापा डॉक्टर की हमारी
Respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Suman Pradhan, esteemed guests, dear parents, teachers and adorable little stars of pre-primary section, on behalf of DAV Public School, Airoli, I welcome everyone to witness the unique saga Shilpkar, the Cheeseling, the Radiant Future. Now, I request our Principal Ma'am and distinguished guests to kindly come on the stage. Let's begin with the auspicious lamp lighting. By lamp lighting and chanting of sacred Gayatri Mantra, which is also called as Maha Mantra, is a key to inner peace and tranquility. I request all the parents and audience to please rise. Which is also followed by daily Gan. I request our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Suman Ma'am, distinguished guests to kindly come on the stage for the floral welcome. Extremely sorry. Now I request all the parents to please stand up for the DAV Gan.
अविरल निर्मल सलिल सतय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय हो चहु दिशि उद्घोष अभय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय प्रबल प्रवाहमयी नित नूतन जीवनदायिनी सदा सनातन वेद प्रणीता परम पुनीता हे धारा अक्षय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय दयानंद से प्रेम भक्ति ले हंसराज से त्याग शक्ति ले धर्म भक्ति का राष्ट्र शक्ति का वो दिन मान उदय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय सुख समृद्धि इसकी लहरें प्रेम शांति इसके तट ठहरे सघन शांतिमय प्रबल कांतिमय दिए अटल निश्चय दिए विजय जय दिए
Now Now I request our principal ma'am and all the distinguished guests to kindly come on the stage for the floral welcome. About Mrs. Aruna Yadav ma'am, Education Officer, Navi Mumbai. She is a paragon of visionary leadership, profound intellect, her unwavering dedication to the advancement of our education landscape. She has become a guiding light, illuminating the path towards a brighter and more inclusive future for generations to come. I request our Regional Director, ARO, Mrs. Seema Manditra ma'am to please come on the stage along with the Chief Guest Aruna Yadav ma'am, and also request Principal ma'am to escort the guests. We welcome you, ma'am. Kindly accept our token of love. Dear parents, please seek Latin. Yes, Mrs. Aruna Yadav. Mrs. Aruna Yadav ma'am, please accept a token of our love. I invite you ma'am to kindly come and speak few words and enlighten us.
DAVचा सर्व परिवार, सर्व शिक्षक, सर्व पालक, विद्यार्थी, आज मुलांसाठी खूप खास दिवस आहे आणि पालकांची पण एक्साइटमेंट खूपच आहे. आणि मुलांना असं वाटतं की आता इथे कशासाठी उभं राहिले, लवकर काहीतरी दाखवा, कारण मला गाणं म्हणायचं आहे, मला डान्स करायचा आहे, ह्या कामामध्ये उभे राहिले. आणि मला ही कल्पना आहे, कारण की मी आज जरी एज्युकेशन ऑफिसर असले तरी 14 वर्ष मी शिक्षक होते, तेव्हा हे सगळं अनुभव आहे आणि पालक म्हणून सुद्धा अनुभव आहे. आणि नेहमी कुठलं गॅदरिंग असली की मला काय आठवतं, तर माझा मुलगा एकदा गॅदरिंगमध्ये एका कवितेमध्ये होता आणि त्या कवितेमध्ये वेगवेगळे पक्षी आणि प्राणी होते आणि त्यामध्ये माझ्या मुलाला रोल दिला होता डुकराचा आणि त्याला मग कपडे घालायचे ते डुकराचे. तर माझे पती काय म्हणते, मी शाळेत जातो आणि सांगतो त्यांना माझ्या मुलाला डुक्कर केलं. म्हटलं तू काय खरंच डुक्कर होणार आहे का? नाही अजिबात भाग नाही यायचा. तर मी कलाकार असल्यामुळे मला माहिती आहे. मी म्हटलं नाही तसं काय नाही. आणि त्यांच्या मॅडमला पण जाऊन सांगितले की काय हरकत नाही. आणि जेव्हा स्टेजवर त्यांचा डान्स सुरू झाला आणि माझे पती उठले फोटो काढायला, तर कुणाचा फोटो काढायचं कळलं, कारण 4 डुक्कर होती. आणि ते मला विचारायचं की आपलं डुक्कर कुठे आहे. तर मी म्हटलं मला काय होती ना. तर माणसासमोर मला म्हणतात की तुला आपलं बरोबर ओळख ना. म्हणून तुम्हाला कसं काय ओळखे ना, मला कसं ओळखे. कसं असं आहे का की अभ्यास हा विषय पुरुषांसाठी ऑप्शनल असतो आणि सगळं आईच करायचं असतं आणि असं अलिखित नियम असतो. आणि त्यामुळं जेव्हा मुलगा शाळेत काहीतरी दिवे लावतो, म्हणजे दिवे लावतो असं जेव्हा होतं ना, तेव्हा लगेच पप्पा काय म्हणतात, बघा तुमचे संस्कार. आणि जेव्हा पोरगं पहिला नंबर काढतं, मग पोरगं कोणाचं, म्हणजे क्रेडिट देईल कुणाला, पप्पाला, आणि डिस्क्रेडिट ऑलवेज टू मदर्स. पण आई काय करते हे मुलांनाही कळालं पाहिजे. आई आपल्या मुलांसाठी सर्व घर, संसार, नोकरी हे सगळं आई करत असते, याची जाणीव मुलांना असली पाहिजे. आणि वारंवार ही जाणीव आपण करून दिली पाहिजे. एका गाण्यामध्ये असं म्हटले बघा, सर्वात आई देव धावे कैसा प्रेम देण्यासाठी आई निर्मिली, आई हे देवाचे रूप, आई हे देवाचे रूप, आई हे देवाचे रूप. आई स्वतः परमेश्वर आहे आणि मुलांनी ते समजून घेतलं पाहिजे. आणि आपल्या आईचं जेव्हा आपण आदर करतो, आपण घरातल्या मोठ्यांचा आदर करतो, तेव्हाच मुलंही आपला आदर करतात. आपण आपल्या सासू सासऱ्यांचा आदर करत असेल तर आपली मुलं आपला आदर करतात. नाहीतर आत्ताच्या पिढीतली मुलं सर्व म्हणतात तुला काय कळतंय, आणि त्यांना नेहमीच वाटत असतं की आपल्या आईला आपल्या वडिलांना काही कळत नाही. पण लक्षात घ्या, ही पिढी वेगळी आहे. आमच्या पिढीमध्ये काय होतं, 2 कानाखाली वाजवले की रेंजमध्येच यायची सगळी. आणि आता सगळी आउट ऑफ रेंज झाली. पालकांनाच पुढे ऐकत नाही. 1.5 वर्षाच करतो मोबाईलवर असं मोबाईल लावलं असतं आणि ऐकायला चालत असते. मग त्या डबड्यात काय चाललंय आईला पण माहिती असतं, पोराला पण माहिती असतं. आणि काय काय आहे ते इतक्या महान असतात की त्या पार पारापर्यंत त्याच्या मागं जेवायला करा, जेव 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 जेव. अरे त्याला गरज असतो तो जेवण ना, त्याला भूक लागली तर तो जेवेल. तुम्हाला वेळ म्हणजे मागला का जेव जेव म्हणून. त्याला कधीतरी गरिबी दाखवा, त्याला कधीतरी गरिबी दाखवा आणि मग त्याला कळेल अन्नाची किंमत. आज सगळं आपण देतो म्हणून मुलं आपली भावत चालली. आपली लहान लहान मुलं आहेत, त्यांच्या हातात आपण मोबाईल दिला आणि आपण म्हणतो पोरगं ऐकत नाही. पोरगं 1.5 वर्षाचं, तुमचं वय 30 असेल, पोरगं कसं ऐकत नाही? त्याचा जन्म अगोदर झाला का तुमचा अगोदर झालाय? त्याला कोड कसा समजतो? तुमच्यामुळे समजतो. त्यामुळे मुलं वाया गेली ते तुमच्यावर अवलंबून आहे. आपली मुलं काय कपडे घालतात त्याचा विचार आपण पालकांनी केला पाहिजे. जर पहिल्यापासूनच फाटके कपडे घालत असेल तर किती गरिबी ना. म्हणजे आता इतकी गरिबी आली की एका फाटक्या पॅन्टवर दुसरी फाटकी पॅन्ट मोफत. आणि मग सांगतात सुद्धा मग फुकट मिळाली. अरे असं काही फुकट मिळालं असतं, ते दुसऱ्याने वापरलेले कपडे फाडून तुम्हाला दिले तर त्यामध्ये. म्हणजे असंही काय होईल असं आपल्याला कधी वाटलंच नव्हतं. एवढे वर उंच उंच केस, असे उभे केस. एकदा एका मुलाला म्हटलं काय करंट लागलं का तुला, अशी वर केस झालं. तुम्हाला म्हटलं हो आंटी ही फॅशन असते. आता आंटीला काय माहिती आहे का फॅशन आहे. नंतर एकदा एका मुलाला म्हटलं अरे भिजलेल्या डुकरासारखं का केस केले. तुम्हाला म्हटलं तुम्हाला माहिती आहे का फॅशन असते. तसं एक मुलगा चालला होता, फाटकी पॅन्ट घातलेली. मी त्याला म्हटलं तू गरीब आहेस का, माझ्या मुलाचे कपडे देऊ का. म्हटलं हो माझे आई वडील दोघं इंजिनियर आहेत. अरे रे रे म्हटलं वर आई वडील इंजिनियर आहेत, त्यामुळे बिचाराने फाटकी कपडे घातले. म्हणजे आपली संस्कृती कुठं चालली बघा. भूक लागली असता खाणे ही प्रकृती, भुकेपेक्षा जास्त खाणे विकृती. आणि आपण खात असताना समोरच्या उपाशी माणसात देणं याचं नाव संस्कृती. आणि संस्कृती आता बदलत चालली. उसवलेली संस्कृती जेव्हा फाटायला लागली, उसवलेली संस्कृती जेव्हा फाटायला लागली तेव्हा गावातली भिकारी सुद्धा उर्फी जावेद वाटायला लागली. म्हणून आपल्या मुलांकडे लक्ष द्या. ते मोबाईलवर काय बघतायत, कुणाशी कनेक्ट होत आहेत हे बघा. मुलं आपली काय खातात, जी आपण देतो तेच खातात. लहान लहान मुलं काय बाहेर जाऊन खाऊ घेणार नाही पैसे दिल्याशिवाय. मग त्यांना पिझ्झा बर्गर याची सवय कोण लावतो? आपणच लावतो. मग त्यामध्ये काय घातलंय, ते किती महिन्यांचं आहे. काही जणांच्या घरी तर रोज उठलं की चहा बिस्किट, रोज उठलं की ते चहा खारी. ते बिस्किटाचं मैदा 6 महिन्यापूर्वीचं आहे. हे आपल्या मुलांना मोबाईलवर दाखवा, म्हणजे त्याला कळलं आपण काय घाण खातोय. ते घरामध्ये आई स्वतःचे कष्ट घालून स्वयंपाक करते, त्या स्वयंपाकाचा आदर करायला मुलांनी शिकलं पाहिजे. म्हणून आपल्या मुलांना चांगलं खायला शिकवा, डब्यामध्ये त्यांना चांगलं देत जा. मी शाळा व्हिजिटला गेली की आवर्जून मुलांचे डबे बघते, त्याच्यावरून कळते त्याची आई कशी आहे. म्हणजे आईला वेळ आहे की नाही मुलांसाठी ते त्याच्यावरूनच कळतं. कारण की वडील सुद्धा सर्व्हिसला आहेत, आई सुद्धा सर्व्हिसला आहे. आणि आपण बराच काळ हा मुलांना शाळेमध्ये पाठवत असतो. शाळेमध्ये त्यांच्यावर चांगले संस्कार होतात, तसे घरात सुद्धा आपल्या मुलांवर चांगले संस्कार झाले पाहिजे. आज मुलं वाचत नाही असं जेव्हा तुम्ही म्हणता तेव्हा तुम्ही किती वाचता याचा विचार करा. आपल्या 1 वर्षाच्या मुलाचा वाढदिवस असेल तर त्याला 1,500चा ड्रेस तर सहज घेतात. पण आपल्या मुलाला जर 500 रुपयाचं पुस्तक वाचायचं असेल तर 500 वेळा विचार करणार. 500 रुपये पुस्तक, 500 रुपये पुस्तक असा विचार करू नका. पुस्तक घडवते मस्तक, आणि जे मस्तक घडतं ते पुन्हा पुढे नतमस्तक होत नाही. आणि ज्याच्या घरी पुस्तकाचं कपाट त्याचं आयुष्य होईल सपाट. तुम्ही किती फर्निचर करा, पण ज्याच्या घरी पुस्तकाचं कपाट नाही ते घर मला घरच वाटत नाही, किंवा ते घर मंदिर वाटत नाही. आणि ज्याच्यावर पुस्तकाचे संस्कार झाले तो वाया होत नाही. ज्याच्यावर पुस्तकाचे संस्कार होतात त्याचं आयुष्य रद्दी होत नाही. पण आपल्या मुलांचं आयुष्य रद्दी व्हायचं नसेल तर आपल्या मुलांना लहानपणापासून वाचनाची सवय लावा. मी माझ्या मुलासाठी काय करायचे, एक पुस्तक वाचलं की पिगी बँकमध्ये 5 रुपये टाकायचे, नंतर ते डबा भरला की त्या पैशाची परत पुस्तक आणायची. आज माझा मुलगा 5-5 हजाराची पुस्तक मागवतो आणि ती पुस्तकं कमी आहेत यासाठी तो माझ्याशी भांडतो. मी खूप भाग्यवान आहे की माझा मुलगा कशासाठी भांडतो, तर मला अंकतंक पुस्तक पाहिजे होतं ते मला मिळालं नाही, मला ते आत्ता पाहिजे यासाठी तो भांडतो. अशी आपली मुलं भांडली पाहिजे. मुलांना ही खूप छोटी छोटी मुलं आहेत, जसे लहानपणापासून आपण संस्कार करतो तशी मुलं करतात. प्रत्येक गोष्ट तुम्ही त्यांना देता तर लक्षात घ्या, मागितल्या कुठली गोष्ट लगेच देऊ नका. मला आज टॉफीज पाहिजे, मला आज मॅगीज पाहिजे, लगेच द्यायचं नाही. आणि नाही ते काय केलं एवढंच बरोबर नाही, त्याच्यावर संस्कार होते की आपल्याला आई मागितलं तर लगेच देत नाही. मी माझ्या मुलाला प्रत्येक वेळा सहलीला पाठवलं, पण प्रत्येक वेळी म्हटलं नाही यावेळेला पगार नाही झाला, यावेळेला पैसे नाही. मग तो म्हणायचं ठीक आहे पुढच्या वेळेला पाठव. नकार ऐकण्याची सवय मुलांना लागू द्या, नाहीतर अमक्या पोरीने माझ्याकडे बघितलं नाही म्हणून आत्महत्या. अरे आईने तुला इतकी वर्ष वाढवले आणि कुठली ती पोरगी तिने तुझ्याकडे बघितलं म्हणून तू आत्महत्या करणार का? नकार ऐकण्याची सवय नाही. म्हणून प्रत्येक गोष्ट देऊ नका. या मुलांना कामं लावा. आता ही मुलं अजिबात काम करत नाही. आई वडिलांनी काम करायचं आणि पोरांनी निवांत लोळून टी व्ही बघत बसायचं आणि त्यांना सगळं आई हातात देते, नाश्ता हातात, जेवण हातात. का? त्याला हातपाय नाही. लहानपणापासून मुलांना सवय लावली पाहिजे. अगदी छोटं मुलं आहे तर अंथरूण तुम्हाला टाकायचं आहे बेडवर, त्याला म्हणून चादर इकडे तुझं इकडे बिघड, तर त्याला सवय लागेल. वयाच्या 25व्या वर्षी तुम्ही जर म्हणाल पूर्ण माझं अंथरूण टाकत नाही मलाच टाकावं लागतं, तर ती तुमची चूक आहे, त्याची नाही. माझा मुलगा लहान असताना असं दप्तर घेऊन आला की इकडं दप्तर टाकायचं, इकडं सॉक्स टाकायचं, तिकडे बूट टाकायचं. मग मी काय करायचे, 3ऱ्या मजल्यावर सगळं फेकून द्यायचे. आणि मग विचारलं माय माझं दप्तर, मी म्हणत ते काय तिथे पडलंय, आई माझं सॉक्स ते काय तिथे पडलंय, परत हिंमत होईल का? नाही होणार. मग जेव्हा खरकटा डबा आहे, डबा आपला धुवून ठेवला पाहिजे, कारण आपली उद्या सकाळी लवकर शाळा आहे, भांडीवाली लवकर येत नाही, म्हणजे डबा हा आपण भरायचा आहे. मग म्हणायचं आई डबा माझा खरकट आहे काय करू? मग मी एकदम शांतपणे म्हणायचे मग मी काय करू, व्हॉट शाय डू, मी काय करू? मग त्यामुळं ते डबा धुवाच लागायचं. पाणी कसं वापरावं याचे सुद्धा संस्कार मुलांना झाले पाहिजे. आज आपल्याला भरपूर पाणी मिळते म्हणून कसे वापरतात. आज कितीतरी लोक आहेत ज्यांच्या डोक्यावर, माझ्या स्वतःच्या डोक्यावर इथे असं गोल पडलेलं आहे पाणी भरून भरून एकदम दुष्काळी तालुक्यामध्ये. तर आमच्या आयुष्याचा बराच काळ, माझ्या आयुष्याची 30 वर्ष ही पाणी भरण्यात डोक्यावर एक खंडा कमरेला एकाने खाली अशी गेली. त्यामुळे कुणी पाणी नसल्यास मला खूप राग येतात, तर सांगून असं वागावं असं वाटतं. माझ्या मुलाला मी एक 3 वर्षापूर्वी सांडशील मारलं होतं का, तर पाणी नसतं. तो म्हणलं आपल्याकडे काही पाणी नाही का? आपल्याकडे पाणी आहे पण दुसऱ्याकडे नाही याची जाणीव आपल्याला असली पाहिजे. आपल्या मुलांनी झाडं लावली पाहिजेत आणि ती जगवली पाहिजेत. त्यासाठी अगोदर पालकांनी झाडं लावली पाहिजेत आणि ती जगवली पाहिजेत. नवी मुंबईमध्ये खूप झाडं आहेत, पण लक्षात घ्या की जी झाडं पर्यावरणाला लायक नाही ती लावायची नसतात. अकेशिया, नंतर गुलमोहर अशी झाडं जी पर्यावरणाला मारक आहेत ती लावायची नसतात. अशी अनेक झाडं सप्तपर्णीसारखी आपल्याला दिसतात, त्याच्यावर पक्षी पण बसत नाही आणि कीटक बसत नाही. ती झाडं आपण लावतो, तशी झाडं लावू नका. आणि मुलांना आपल्या प्रत्येक वेद कसा येतो ते शिकवा. हे वांग कसं लागते ते बघा, त्याच्यावर हात ठेवायला लावा. प्रत्येक पान कसं निसर्गाने केले बघा. मुलांना आता निसर्गाबद्दल काही वाटत नाही म्हणून ती मुलं झाडं तोडताना त्यांना अजिबात शरम वाटत नाही. तर लक्षात घ्या की आपण जे संस्कार कराल त्यावर चालेल. आज हिंदू मुस्लिमचे मुलं मोबाईलवर ऐकतात आणि भांडणं करायला लागतात. तर त्यासाठी त्यांना सांगा तू हिंदू बनेगा या मुसलमान बनेगा, इंसान की औलाद इंसान बनेगा. मला मीटिंगला जायचं आहे, खूप वेळ झाला आहे. तर चौथी बात में सोच को बदलो, सितारे बदल जाएंगे, नजर को बदलो, नजारे बदल जाएंगे. कुछ बदलने की जरूरत नहीं, दिशाओं को बदलो, किनारे खुद को खुद बदल जाएंगे.
Thank you so much, man, for your inspiring word and melodious voice. It is the most important stage in this divine drama of life, as children form impression by observing and absorbing everything around them. These are the stages when most of the character building happens. Hence, the collaborative role of teacher and parent as accountable and responsible elders in child's life goes a long way in shaping dignified character. So let us together embark our riveting journey, Shilpkar, chiseling the radiant future that traces the important stages of life during the early childhood. Now let us start with the prayer dance performed by the children of standard 1st and 2nd. This prayer offers and welcome all our guests to prayer Omkar Swarupa, choreographed by our talented teacher Mrs. Jayashree Shurve and our supervisor Mrs. Sunita Chand. So let's get ready to be enlightened. Children, the stage is yours.
तुझ नमो ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था, ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था, अनाथाच्या नाथा तुझ नमो, तुझ नमो, तुझ नमो, तुझ नमो, तुझ नमो. स्वामी असे स्वयं प्रकाश शशि अग्नि नैन तिजारूपा रवि शशि अग्नि नैन तिजारूपा स्वप्रकाश रूपा नेने वेद स्वप्रकाश रूपा नेने वेद स्वप्रकाश रूपा ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था अनाथाच्या नाथा तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था
Wow, that was beautiful. Thank you, dear children. Parents, please keep clapping for them and encourage our little ones. I am truly honored to speak about our next guest, Mr. Jay Sota, a second-time entrepreneur in F&B industry, the co-founder of Kabji. Kabji is a Shark Tank Season 3 brand. Was born from the urge to redefine the beverage habits of India. A proud alumnus of DAV Public School, Airoli, and the alumnus of KC College from the Department of Mass Media, graduate in BA in Film, Television and New Media Presentation, graduated in the year 2020. I request our principal ma'am, respected Mrs. Suman Pradhan, to please welcome our guest, Mr. Jay Sota, with Shreefal and shawl. Speak about Mrs. Srimati Seema Mehendirata Ma'am Ji. She is the founder principal of DAV International School, Kharghar and ARO Western Region Zone A. Ma'am's dedication and innovative approach play a crucial role in shaping the future of generations to come. She implements innovative education practices. I request our principal ma'am to please welcome Mrs. Seema Mehendirata Ji. Ma'am, please accept our token of love. Thank you, ma'am. It is my honor to speak about Simi Juneja ma'am, principal of DAV Public School, Thane. Ma'am was conferred with Dynamic Social Leader Award 2022 by the Honorable Governor of Maharashtra for her excellence work in the field of education during pandemic. Simi Juneja creates a nurturing and exclusive learning environment. I request our principal ma'am to please, ma'am, dear parents, please clap and welcome. Thank you, ma'am. I request Simi Juneja ma'am to please come and enlighten us with your kind words.
And all present here, all the parents, all my colleagues, Seema Mendiratha, who is the RO, and the very sweet principal, that is Suman Pradhan. I have just come to the stage to share 2-3 things with you. The function, it is the first time after so many years DAV Airoli has organized this function, and just with the full support and guidance of the parents. And to me, as per your principal, we have come to know that Airoli parents, they are the best parents as compared to any other school. So I am really thankful to all the parents who have spared their valuable time during the working day. But one thing I have come here to share, that is Suman Pradhan, due to some reason she was not well today. She had to go to hospital today. But for her, DAV and the parents, they are the most important thing. So you can see her hand also, that she has come all the way, and I wish all your blessings and wishes she will be fine, absolutely fine by tomorrow. And I will not like to take much time because all of you are eager to see your wards presentations, so we will continue with the performances. Thank you.
For enlightening us. Now I request our principal ma'am to please come and on the stage for the annual report. Ma'am, she is a true leader. In spite of her health, ma'am has joined us today for this program. Ma'am, we are truly blessed and honored with your presence. Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, our distinguished guest. It is with great pleasure and pride that I stand before you to celebrate the pre-primary annual day. This is a day we eagerly wait, a day filled with joy, laughter, and the heartwarming performance of our little stars. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Seema ma'am and Simi ma'am, who have come here and made the time for us. Your support and trust means the world to us, and it is our constant endeavor to provide the best environment for their growth and development. I wish to thank you, all my parents, teachers and staff, and not to forget my little angels. It is due to these small stars that we have organized the pre-primary annual day. Today, as we witness the delightful performances and presentations by our little ones, let us take a moment to appreciate the innocence, enthusiasm, and boundless potential they bring into our lives. Each child is a unique gift, and it's our privilege to guide them in their journey of discovery and learning. Let me take you through the annual report, which is a summary of our 2023-24 achievements and a look into the future. These are the achievements of the past year. These are our 10th toppers. The first topper has got 97.8% and 93 students got more than 90%. In 12th science topper, Shreya has got 96.8%, Ishan has got 96.6% and Kritika has got 95.6%. In 12th commerce, Arunima Jejurkar topped the school with 93.6%. Our school has got 2 awards. It is ranked number 7 in Maharashtra and ranked number 5 in Thane in the category Maharashtra Top 20 CBSE Schools, a survey conducted by Education Today. Our school has also bagged Times Education Icons 2020 Mumbai in the category Top School in National and International category by Optimal Media Solutions, a division of Times of India, a Times Group company on 28 December 2023 and was awarded. The sports achievement of our schools: Ishan Salvi of Standard 10 was facilitated by Honorable Sunil Gavaskar and Honorable Prakash Padukone as the semi-finalist in Yonex Sunrise Suhas Nadikarni Memorial Maharashtra State Open Badminton Tournament in Under 17 category. Ananya Mali of Standard 3 bagged gold medal in road race 1500 meters and gold medal and in the ring race 500 meter and first rank in inter-school Navi Mumbai district level roller skating competition in 2023. Our proud international achievement sports Guinness World Record was held by Veer Gajra, who was studying now currently in 6th. He has completed 98 hours continuously skating on the track. Atharva Mahesh Jaskar, who is now in standard 8, he is the fastest 100-meter inline skates in 11.21 seconds. In artistic gymnastics, Sakhana Radier, first position she got in the DAV Sports national level in under 14 girl category. In karate, Abha Khatwakar got the 3rd position in under 14 38 to 42 kg. In artistic gymnastics, Aryan Pala got the 1st position in Gujarat and Maharashtra team. In karate, Omkar Jayabhaja got 3rd position in under 17 boys. In badminton, Isan Salvi, Sumed Vani and Alvin Burgess got the 2nd position in under 17 boys category. Some of the co-curricular activities that we had: Ishani Majumdar and Dev Bajaj participated in a project on story of wetlands. They have been selected for the CBSE National Science Exhibition. Sriraj Yadav of Standard 5th has participated in an International World Championship of Vedic Maths in which students from 12 countries participated and he bagged the 1st position. Struha of Junior KG bagged 4 gold medals in National Vyayam Festival 2023-24 held at Raigad, Odisha from 11 Jan to 13 Jan 24 in Omkar Chand, Uthak Baithak, Yoga Gyan and Nritya Vyayam. Anusha Venkakar of Standard 10 got the 1st position in the state level Chinmaya Shlok competition. These are the glimpses of activities that we had last year. We had national level drawing competition which was organized by Axis Bank, carom competition, classical solo vocal competition, design thinking workshop and for standard 7th and 8th, drawing competition organized by the Airoli Post Office, elocution competition, World Handloom Day, International Yoga Day celebration, Library Day, Master Chefs of DAV Public School, Airoli. Mathematics Championship Quiz was conducted for Standard 9. Collaboration of mathematics in jewelry and footwear design. So you can see how the children have used mathematics in jewelry design. On account of National Unity Day, we pledge to foster and reinforce our dedication to preserve and strengthen the unity, integrity and security of our nation. DAV Public School Airoli has got an Interact Club, and we have got the chartered handed over to the team of Interact Club on 21st August 2023. The Junior KG Fancy Dress Cleanliness Products was held. Navratri celebration was held for all the classes. For class nursery, we had Poshan Bhi, Padhai Bhi to inculcate the sense of healthy food. Rakhi making activity for students of standard 6 to 8. We also celebrated Grandparents' Day for the nursery class on 21st October 2023, which was liked by all the grandparents. Like one of the grandparents was sharing that they were very good dancers in their college days, and they have danced after so many years when we had this Grandparents' Day. So Navratri was celebrated all across. We had Diwali celebration, World Food Day for standard 1st and 2nd to bring healthy regional food in the tiffin and speak few sentences about it. The photography competition was conducted on the account of World Photography Day. Workshop on STEM Lab was organized by Beyond the Classroom on 24th of November. We had the umbrella painting competition. We celebrated the International Tiger Day, the Rubik Rumble competition, animals made out of tin competition, storytelling competition. The live telecast of national program Veer Bal Divas was watched by the students. Quiz competition, inter-school elocution competition. We secured the first position in the NMMC Science Project. And the story of wetlands has been selected for CBSC. For the National Science Exhibition team, the participants were Ishani Majumdar and Dev Bajaj. The Tech Fest Olympiad was conducted. Havan was conducted on various occasions. The PTA formation was done on 24th of June 2023. Inter-school monsoon soccer tournament was organized for the senior KG students. Kite decoration activity was done. The children of 10th and 12th are taking the blessings of Almighty before the final exams. We have done the orientation for standard 10 students and parents. We have also made the awareness about the POCSO law. Awareness program for students of standard 11 on drug addiction by Gajanan Kadale sir of Rabale police station. Workshop on how to approach a national level entrance examination was conducted for the students of 11th and 12th. Workshop for students of 10th, 11th and 12th was conducted by Mr. Om Atharva, who is an alumni and he is studying currently in US. So he conducted a workshop on the topic of importance of mathematics in machine learning. Legal awareness program for student of standard 9th was conducted. A workshop on entrepreneurship was conducted. We have conducted an orientation session for the parents of standard 8 to tell them and guide them that how best they can help the students in preparing for the board exams. Stress management workshop was conducted. Special assembly was conducted. We also had a marathon which was conducted by Lupin Life Activate, and most of you have taken part in that. So it was very nicely done. Then we also had the AV United Festival, which was celebrated in Mumbai for the first time. Our children have participated in that. Standard 12th is doing Havan. The nursery dance competition pre-primary dance competition for junior KG, kite decoration, picnic to tic-tac-toe and bird park. Vasant Panch, we celebrated Vasant Panchami. Our chairman, Shri Prabodh Mahajan ji, he visited our school on 5th of March. The summer camp was organized for the students. Fancy dress competition was done on 12th of April. Benefits on international education was conducted by a Canadian university for the students of 10th and 12th, those who are looking forward to study in Canada. We had an orientation program for standard 11 and letter writing activity on 12th of April to tell the parents to vote for the country. These are the election ambassador. We had a small rally and we encourage each and every parent to participate in this. These are some of the developmental initiatives that we took last year. We have increased the number of CCTV cameras. We have put the air conditioners in computer labs, the conference room and the hall. We have renovated the library. We have renovated the reception area. We have done the renovation of third floor hall. External painting of the school building is going on. Number of CCTV cameras we have increased to 118. Now we cover every nook and corner of the school. ACs are installed. Library has been renovated. We created a toddler town for our pre-primary children. We also created the sensory park for them. A permanent Yagyashala has been created. The reception area has been renovated and the external process is going on. Dear parents, this is a proposed infrastructure development where we are going to develop the biology, chemistry, physics and new computer lab and construction of the common school compound wall. We also want to take up the complete renovation of the toilet blocks of A and B wing. We will take up the internal painting, the renovation of multi-purpose hall. We want to create a state-of-art badminton and table tennis hall and set it up for the indoor game. We have planned to build a new compound wall and we want to take up the construction of rooms in balanced FSI. According to NEP 2020, India is moving towards digital literacy. NEP 2020 is all about instilling the 21st century skills in students so that they can meet up the challenges of the real world. We are charging only a very nominal amount of 250 rupees per month to introduce this STEM lab. We want to introduce the robotics lab, the ATL lab, the design thinking lab, the smart board replacement, language lab and financial literacy lab. So this is going to be the proposed STEM lab. The ATL lab, the new LED smart board, the language lab, the financial literacy lab. We are going to open the School Innovation Council also. Dear parents, as we gather here today, I am filled with immense gratitude for your unwavering support and contributions to our school community. Your involvement, whether it's through volunteering, fundraising, or simply being there for your children, plays a pivotal role in the success of our school. Your dedication enriches the educational experiences for all our students, and for that we are truly grateful. Thank you for entrusting us with your children's education and for being our partners in shaping their future. Your commitment is invaluable and we could not do without you. Hope this support continues and together we make DAV Airoli School with you and your support the school that you and your children can be proud of. As we are on the brink of summer vacation, here are some pointers that I want to share with you. I hope that when these children are enjoying their summer vacation, you note some of these points. Please eat meals with your children at least twice. Tell them the importance of farmers and their hard work so that they should not waste any food. Let them wash their own plates after eating. This will teach them the basic life skill, as we all have experienced during pandemic that such situation can come in anybody's life. So through such work, children will understand the value of hard work. Let them help you cook with you. Let them prepare vegetables or salads. Go to at least 3 neighbors' house. See, these days we all are busy, and in Mumbai sometimes we don't know who are our neighbors. So it is very important that you take your children to your neighbor's house so that they interact with them and we make one good community. Take them to their grandparents' house and let them mingle with the children. It's very important to create that bonding since they are very small. Their love and emotional support is very important for your children. So take good pictures with them. If you are a working parent, please sometime take them to your office also, so that the children should learn the value of money. Because sometimes small children, they understand how the money comes. It comes through the ATM. So it doesn't come through the ATM. It comes when their mother and father are working very, very hard. So take them to their workplace once to let them watch that how you work so hard. Take them to any local festival or local market. Motivate your children to sow seeds to create a kitchen garden. Knowing about trees and plants is also important for the development of the child. Tell children about your childhood and your family history. They should know the names of your father, mother. Let the children go out and play. Let them get hurt. Let them get dirty. It is good for them to fall occasionally and endure the pain. A life of comfort like sofa cushions will only make your children lazy. Play them some folk songs. Bring them storybooks with colorful pictures for your children. Keep your children away from TV, mobile phones, computers and electronic gadgets. For that, you also have to do the same. So try this detoxification from the mobile gadgets. Avoid giving them chocolates, jellies, cream cakes, chips, aerated drinks and bakery products like puff and fried foods like samosas. Look into the eyes of your children and thank God for giving you such wonderful gifts. In the coming few years from now, they will be leaving you. So when they are with you, spend quality time with them. With this, parents, I end my speech and I hope you will have a great annual day and a great summer vacation. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for highlighting the achievement and milestones of our school. Dear word, this is tiny infant has all the raw human impulses and instinctively craves for the motherly touch. Let's be the part of the musical celebration, a tribute to the wonders of divine power present behind all the procreation that sustains life. wherever it exists in the entire cosmos. So let's put our hands together and welcome our tiny tots. Our next dance performance is very special. Tumko Paya Hai by new nursery children and parents. Our next dance performance is a musical tribute to most sacred and unbreakable bond in the world, the bond between a parent and a child. This performance celebrates the unconditional love the parents shower upon the children, which is reciprocated by the children. The students of new nursery class are going to present the glory of divine relationship by dancing to the beat of Tumko Paya Hai. Let's cheer for tiny performers as well as the parents who could spare the precious time to gracefully turn around with their children to make this day a special and memorable.
तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ, कहना चाहूँगी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ। तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ, कहना चाहूँगी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ। किसी ज़बान में भी वो लफ्ज़ ही नहीं कि जिनमें तुम हो क्या तुम्हें बता सकूँ। अगर कहूँ तुमसे हंसी कायनात में नहीं है कहीं, तारीफ ये भी तो सच है कुछ भी नहीं। तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ। सफर मेरी अप्सरा हो तुम या कोई परी, तारीफ ये भी तो सच है कुछ भी नहीं।
Magical. Dear audience, let's clap for them and encourage them for their participation. So now, let's keep the momentum going. My Heart is Beating by Nursery B. The next dance performance showcases the general anxiety that both parents and nursery class students might harbor as they venture into a new world when the children starts going to school. It is more daunting, especially for the children as they try to come out of their comfort zone to stay away from the protective home environments to explore the unknown wonders of school life. As they are too young to understand the significance of education, let us be the part of this apprehension of both children. Now let us start with My Heart is Beating. Let's give them a big round of applause and welcome our little kids.
My heart is beating, keeps on repeating, I'm waiting for you. My heart is beating, keeps on repeating, I'm waiting. is beating, time is beating, time is beating. My heart is beating, keeps on repeating. I'm waiting for you. My love encloses a plot of roses, and when shall be when our next meeting? 'Cause love, you know that time is fleeting, time is fleeting, time is fleeting.
Wow, that was great. Even my heart was beating. Now, I request our guest, Mr. Jay Sota, to please come on the stage and say the few words.
Hello everyone. Firstly, I've completely forgotten what I was supposed to say looking at the mesmerizing performance. So I'm trying to recollect what am I supposed to talk about. But I would like to first thank Principal Ma'am and Prajakta Ma'am for giving me this opportunity. I cannot thank enough all the teachers who've been here and who've given me this platform and made me able enough that I'm able to represent my venture and at the same time represent the school here. Recently, I had the opportunity of going back to the school, being able to represent my product and venture to all the teachers, and I cannot express how much love and validation that I've received that day. And it makes me realize what I am as an individual is something, all the skill sets that I've developed during my time at school. I was almost an around average student, not very good at academics. But one thing that my school really gave me is that I was very good at co-curricular activities. And that support system is something that in terms of my teachers is what I got and made me gain confidence and skill sets. And when these confidence and skill sets I took forward into my college life, where I happened to be the president of the Rotaract Club, I understood that everything that I've learned in terms of people management, finance management and leadership is somewhere or the other I've picked up from all the teachers that I've had in my life. So thank you so much to all the teachers. And while everyone will be wondering that ये अपनी teachers के बारे में इतना क्यों बोल रहा है, this is my way of giving back to the school and at the same time mentioning it to all the parents कि आपने एक सही school चुना है अपने बच्चे के लिए. And ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो as skill sets हमारे principal या teachers हमें school में सिखाते हैं, आगे चल के हमें actually बहुत काम आते हैं. Today I am standing in front of you as a co-founder of Kabji Foods and Beverages Private Limited. I have started my venture directly after college. I am a founder with almost zero to no work experience. But it's everything that I've learned in this journey that makes me the best entrepreneur that my organization can have. And I'm very proud to announce that my organization recently featured on Shark Tank India Season 3. Thank you. Not only that, our product at Kabji was nominated as the most innovative beverage in Gulfport, Dubai, and we were the only Indian brand representing our country in that category. और ये जितना भी मैंने एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के बारे में, लाइफ के बारे में, प्रोडक्ट के बारे में और जो हमारा जुगाड़ू एटीट्यूड इन टर्म्स ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप है वो मैंने स्कूल से ही सीखा है. सो थैंक यू सो मच डेविड फॉर दिस. एंड आई वुड लाइक मैम टू प्लीज प्ले द ऑडियो. थैंक यू.
Sir, you have inspired us all. It is my great honor to speak about our respected principal man, Mrs. Suman Pradhan. Her unwavering dedication, visionary leadership and boundless passion for education have been a cornerstone of our school's success. Under her guidance, our institution has flourished, nurturing not only the academic excellence, but also fostering nurturing environment where the students thrive both academically and personally. Ma'am, kindly accept a token of our love. I request all the supervisors to please come. Ma'am, you have really inspired all the teachers who are present here. Thank you so much, ma'am. by the vibrant energy of our next performance by Junior KG C. As the unnecessary anxiety of going to school gradually and naturally ebb away, our children is getting used to the school. Children in the next stage gets settled and started enjoying school life. The time spent in the company of their favorite teacher and precious friend become most cherished one. The school becomes the home away from home. These are the days to simply throw the caution to the wind and rejoice in the present. Let's join these tiny tots in the joyous celebration of life and learn from them true mantra of inner happiness to remain cheerful and joyous in any situation by swaying to the beat of Chak Dum Dum.
dear parents, are you all enjoying? I can't hear you. Are you all enjoying? The annual day program, Shilpakar. You need to put your hands together and welcome and encourage all the young DAVians who are here to perform. I can't hear you all. Please put your hands together. My dear parents, on behalf of our principal ma'am and DAV Airoli, I take this opportunity to welcome Mrs. Seema Mendiratha, the founder principal of DAV International School, Kharghar, and ARO, Western Region Zone A, to please address us with her words of wisdom. My dear parents, teachers, please put your hands together and welcome Seema ma'am. Ma'am, us, our strength, please put your hands together and welcome ma'am.
Humble pranams to everybody. Parents, I had prepared a long speech today, but this such a beautiful performance has taken everything from me. Not only the performance, the presentation given by Suman Madam, Suman Pradhan, the principal of the school, I think nothing was left untouched there. So big round of clap for the principal, for the teachers, for the parents, and definitely the students of DAV Airoli School. I think we need to learn from each other. We learn a lot from the neighboring schools, from the DAV schools, and every school is unique in its own way. And DAV Airoli, in its area, in the region, has really made a good name for it. And I think you are a proud parent for that. Good achievements. Congratulations to the principal, to the staff, to the parents, and to the students. We already have an alumni sitting here who has already proved himself, and he is also giving a lot of importance. Whatever he learned in the school is paying him well. Am I right? So I think that really deserves. Suman ma'am had said in her presentation, parents, a quality time. Can you switch off one light which is like directly to my eyes? The focus light. Anyway, I think it's difficult to switch it off. The parents, it's a very humble request, each one of you, spending a quality time with your children really matters a lot. I was very glad when I could see fathers dancing with their children, Usually it is mothers. So that was again a unique concept from DAV Airoli, and fathers really dancing so well. And I think that the children were looking for their mothers. How come father is there on the stage? Every time the mother dances, the mother is there on their tunes, on their demands, on their tantrums. So hats off to the fathers also. You were really good and we really enjoyed that presentation a lot. Parents, you have to just make a note of one very important thing. Minimum 45 minutes during your 24 hours in your home, stay away, keep your mobiles on one side, keep the mobiles on silent mode and spend a good time, quality time with your family, with your children, with your spouse. I've seen when we go to the restaurants to have a lunch or dinner with the family, we see many tables, all four of them, three of them sitting there are always on the mobile. Why do we go for such occasions then? So let us have something, because what you share, what you get to know from your child, whatever was done in the school during the day, that's very important. So child is there to teach you what was done, and then we expect the parents the same way to take further the teaching that as done by the teacher, role models of the teachers in the school. So please spend a quality time and do not send your children to the tuition classes when there is admission procedure going on. So we get to have the child performance at times is not good for the higher class or something. So parents, they come to us, they tell us, but child, I will put my child for the tuition classes. Parents, I am giving you the guarantee on behalf of DAV Airoli School, on behalf of DAV teachers, tuition is not required at all. That money, like Aruna madam message also was very good, although it was in pure Marathi, just I could get it. She was also saying, put some money in the piggy bank. The tuition money put it in the piggy bank and get something good for a child, or get some good books like Madam said, to buy good books and make your home a beautiful library, because children are losing the habit of reading these days. So inculcating the habit of reading is very important. Their vocabulary increases, they are able to communicate well, and although everything is available on that tap of the phone, the Google says everything, but said that is all wrong vocabulary we learn. Wrong spellings are there. So the correct spelling we get to learn only from the magazines, newspapers and the textbooks. So inculcate that habit. Read a story to your child through a book. Read a lesson to your child from a textbook. That is going to matter. That is what NEP says. So I will not take much time. Beautiful presentation so far, whatever we have observed. So another few presentations followed by the evening slot for the class 1 and 2. So my congratulations to all the teachers for your hard work. Congratulations to the parents for supporting the school. And again a humble request, support the school in all the infrastructure, whatever Suman madam has shown here, and then your support is really required there. Thank you everybody, thank you so much, and all the best for the rest of the day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your support and motivation always. It is rightly said, show must go on, and we have something truly spectacular lined up next by Junior KG B. Mowgli has left his cocoon life as a kindergarten student and naturally transitioned to another phase of life. The next dance by Junior B on the rhythm of Zubi Dubi perfectly captures the vibrant dynamics of growing up when children lead a very experiential coexistence with senses perfectly attuned to nature. They start noticing their surrounding and admire the scenic beauty around. Let's enjoy the next performance, Zubi Dubi, depicting the age of learning by observing and imitating, where elders like parents and teachers become the role models and the adulation is mirrored in every action of the child. So let's put our hands together for Junior KG B.
Hey
the young performer and keep encouraging them. Now let's be prepared as our little ones will charm you by the next performance, Dil Garden Garden by Nursery C. Now Mowgli has started getting a strong sense of identity. Our next presentation exhibits this phase where the children increasingly starts becoming aware about the world around and try to form a world view. They start idolize the people from various fields they identify with most. Home is no longer their only world. Our next dance, Dil Garden Garden by Nursery C, tells the tale of this journey to self-discovery, where the children come out of the shell ready to shine in the world, following the footsteps of their idols. So let's put our hands together for Nursery C, Dil Garden Garden. clapping dear parents and guests for them. Encourage them. Now, let's start with our next performance. Swag से करेंगे स्वागत. तू चीज बड़ी है मस्कर and Tana Tana. by Junior KGD. The upcoming dance performance, a tribute to the glory of discovering the novelty of life. This is the stage where our movie has started discovering the joy of school life, having fun with friends and enjoying each moment, creating happy memories. This is the age where children try to experiment, explore the unknown. Let's discover the freshness that life has to offer, along with Junior KGD students who will perform on the song of Swag Se Karenge Tera Swagat, To Cheez Badi Hai Mast Mast and Tana Tana.
स्वागत स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त मैं चीज बड़ी हूँ मस्त पीछे वाला मुझको अपना जान बना ले चलता दे किस्मत का तारा एक बार से दिल नहीं भरता मुड़ के देख मुझे दोबारा टन 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 तारा चलती है क्या 9 से 12 टन 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 तारा चलती है क्या 9 से 12 चाहने वाले आगे 10 है पीछे 12 खड़ी खड़ी क्या सोच रही है चल हो जाए 9 2 11 1 2 3
Thank you, dear children, for your wonderful performance. Thank you. Where's the party tonight? Our final performance of the day is spirited of the jubilance of the school day till primary section. The curious and adventurous Mowgli now is all set to barge into the grown-up world living behind the carefree days. It is a time to come out in the open and conquer the world before we all make an exit from this stage of life. As the Shakespeare has put it, before we enjoy, let's put our hands together for the party tonight by second B and B children. On behalf of DAV Public School, Airoli, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for gracing us with your presence today. A special thank you to our distinguished guests whose valuable insight and presence are enriched this occasion. And also I express a sincere appreciation to our respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Suman Pradhan, for her unwavering dedication and leadership in guiding our institution towards excellence. To our supervisor, parents and teacher, your tireless effort and commitment for nurturing our students are truly commendable. We are immensely grateful to Art and Music Department for their creativity and talent showcased in today's event, adding vibrancy and joy to our celebration. A heartfelt thank you to discipline teacher in charge, office staff and auxiliary staff for their commitment and dedication. A heartfelt thank you to Mrs. Malkeet Kaur, our script writer, for her brilliant work in crafting the narrative that brought today's event to life. And last but not the least, our adorable stars from nursery to second standard for their commitment, energy, and adorable performance have truly stolen our hearts. Once again, thank you all for making this annual day celebration a resounding success. Thank you so much. Now I request all the guests and dear parents to please stand up for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you so much.
जय.